was a good 6. Right, Rachel, why have you got Donkey of the Day?
It's been a little bit silly.
Do you want to give us a little walk? Go on. 2. Yes. So explain, why have you got Donkey of the Day? Yes, me.
Right, we're going to roll. How does it feel to be the only goal scorer so far for the Wales team in the Istria Women's Cup?
I'm still trying to get over it, to be honest.
Yeah?
Were you deciding who's got bigger class? Me or Blaise?
Blaise.
No, me. Look, they're more tone. Tone, sorry. See?
Hers are longer because she's got longer legs.
Mine are more tone.
Sophie Ingle, captain, having a little sunbathe. Here with Haz. Sophie Ingle, how do you rate Haz as a player? Who is the worst person to share a room with and why?
Sophie.
Why?
She smells.
The best person to share a room with?
Sophie.
Because she smells?
Because she smells.
Who is the biggest diver in the team?
Biggest diver. Mush.
All the fucking times she's
Here is Barry the kit man, praying to check there's no balls going missing. He knows where every ball is at every moment. He takes a quick glance, stands up. There he goes, straight for a ball. He's getting it, he's getting it! Here is Jane Ludlow, carrying her best friend Jeff.
Don't have best friend. This is what you can Fox in the box and the Wily Fox, yeah? Claire Sullivan, so big end of box, you know what will be happening tomorrow. Goals. We've got it.
Good job, ladies.